Today what I have is a 1941 Martin 00018 that is in the shop for a lot of repair work. We've cleaned it, put a new rosewood bridge on it, refretted it, reset the neck, patched cracks. We even put some Waverly tuners on it. Oh, it also got an ebony strap button down here on the heel because she uses a strap. And along with the strap button on the heel, Gwen would like a strap button on the butt end. And that's not a big deal, except there's already a big hole in there because this bridge had a transducer pickup underneath the saddle and a jack in the end. Back in the day, we would have to have plugged this hole with wood and glue, drilled it out, and then tapered it with a tapered reamer because end pins are like bridge pins. They have a taper. But today I'm using this clever thing, which is an easier way to solve the problem. You have the ebony end pin, but it's tapped on the bottom, and it slides into this hard plastic sleeve that has slits in it. Then from inside the end block, you install this threaded machine bolt with an Allen drive, and as it tightens, it expands that sleeve and it grips the walls. You might have seen that in drywalling in a house where you can put a molly in the wall and tighten it, and it opens up and you can hang a picture on. And anytime you want to take it out and put a pickup back in, it's easy peasy. It's called a NoJak Endpin, and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm using a 4mm truss rod wrench. This happens to be a gripper. Gets a good grip. It's a little fumbly trying to find that hole and get this out the other end. So I got a 1/2-inch repair magnet on its handle. And this helps me find that end and bring it out. Might as well get that pretty much tightened. Once I start pulling this wrench through, I don't want to pop out of that Allen head because it's hard to get back in there and I got to start all over again. So I'm getting a bite on it right now. I'm starting to turn it. It's feeling a little tighter. And here's where I want to have a pair of pliers. These pliers have some plastic jaws which protect it. Keep it really tight. And my right hand's not letting that wrench fall out of the head of that bolt. Okay, end pin jack installed. There's not much to it, it's that simple. It's one of those short, sweet ones, and I'm anxious to hear this guitar. Woohoo, hear the Martin sound. 00018, love them.